Master is craving for McDonald's as supper. Master only remember lick Q assistant when he's hungry. What's your favorite food at McDonald's? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to follow, like, share on my clips. Your kind little gesture meant a lot to me. Master, are we on the right track? Master ordering via drive-thru. Lick Q assistant isn't a normal cargo.
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hi, I would like to place an order. I would like to have a butter crispy chicken burger meal.
Buttermilk crispy chicken, huh?
Yes, you're right.
Upsize for this.
Yes, upsize please.
Okay, how about the drink?
Coke, 0, without ice.
Anything else?
That'll be all. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
lovely, thank you.
Lick Q assistant is next in line.
Hi, hello. My mode of payment will be cash, but the cash is inside the box.
Joyful sister can't stop laughing.
Thank you so much, sister. Thank you for your help.
Can you go for what is it? Later I give the burger for you. And the money is here.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sister. Okay. Hello, how are you guys? Hello, hope you guys have a good evening.
Are you driving this or what?
Yeah, I'm actually somewhere around my friend's place.
Burger here.
All done already, right? Thank you so much, sister. Thank you. Okay, I see you guys around. Bye-bye. Take care, guys.
I am really grateful to McDonald's staff for the assistance. Nevertheless, what Master have done at drive-thru is a little dangerous too. Dear viewers, please don't try it. Pain, Master, please don't be angry with Lick Q assistant. Dear viewers, Lick Q assistant is truly thankful to you for watching this clip. See you soon. Lick Q assistant miss you all. Bye bye.